So welcome to today's lesson. We're going to be learning about polyrhythms. We're going to learn about a 3-2 polyrhythm. Now 3-2 polyrhythms are really good to spice up your music, to add in, but today we're just going to learn the basics of it on the handpan. So what I want you to do, grab your handpan. Now I have a 10 note D chord, which is D minor, and we're going to make things really simple. So a 3-2 just means one hand will hit the notes 3 times and one hand will hit the note twice. So what we want to do is get the ding. So I'm going to use the ding and I'm going to use the bass note. So we're going to count. So the way I'm going to work is this is going to be chord number 1. So we're going to go up the scale. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that's how we're going to work it in today's tutorial. So we're going to literally put our right hand, or your dominant hand, depends on how you work, in the handpan. So I'm going to use my right hand. I'm going to use my left hand to hit note 1, which is the lowest note on the scale. Then we're going to be working with the note 2, and obviously we're going to be working with the note 4. So if you've got a D chord, that's the note it's going to be using with. So what I want you to do is put your left hand or your right hand, whatever it is, your dominant on the ding, and then so we're going to hit that together. Then we're going to go over and we're going to hit number 4, hit number 2, and hit number 4. That's as simple as the polyrhythm is going to be, because you don't want to overcomplicate it, you want to make it easy. So we're going to go ding, so them two together, and then we're going to go to 4, 2, 4. So what happens is we go in ding, so that counts as what with the right hand, so that goes 1, 2, 3. But obviously while we're doing that, we're literally hitting it together, so both of these count as 1, and then we go 2, 2, 3. Now if you're trying to understand what I'm trying to say here, is that we've got to hit this note to make a polyrhythm 3. And in between, we're just making it easier for ourselves to doing it together. And that's a polyrhythm. It's just hitting the note 3 times with one hand and hitting the notes 2 times with the other hand. So you could even spice it up. So obviously you can do this with me, but we will spice it up after. So do this with me again. So we're going to go the ding, the bass note, we're going to go together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. Simple. And that's a 3-2 polyrhythm. Now we can spice it up and change it, so we can go to a 1, 3, 5. So we can change it over, so we can do the same again. So if you're left-handed, I do apologise, just do the opposite to what I'm saying. If I go right, left, right, you know what I'm saying. So get it together, so we're going to go together, and then we're going to go over to number 5, 5, 3, 5. So again, together, 5, 3, 5. Again, together, 5, 3, 5. Simple as that. Or I was watching so many teachers and I couldn't get my head around it at first. I was like, what the hell are they on about? But when you start understanding it and making it, for me, you got to make it simple. Make it simple, make it fun. So again, so it's just literally 3 notes on one hand, 2 notes. Now you can spice up and go like, or you can spice up. So that's just a 3-2 simple one, but I just wanted you to get the basics of understanding what a polyrhythm is, how it works. It's really simple. Like I said, a lot of people who come to me and ask about the polyrhythms on the handpan, a lot of them confused and a lot of them don't make it simple. So we want to make it simple and fun as much as we can. So again, you could do it with me. So we're going to do together, then we're going to go to 2 and 4. So if you do together, now we're going to go over to the right side. So you ready? Together. Used to hitting it the same. So you can make words up for it. So you can just say, nice piece of toast, 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 nice. You could do it that way and make up words for it. Some people use nice cup of tea, nice piece of toast. But if you like this tutorial today and hoped it helped you out just the same way it helped me out trying to work it in my own way, please like and subscribe for more. And if you want more lessons, let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn a bit more about. And yeah, we try and make it simple, fun, and have a good time. Thank you very much. See you again.